In the midst of the Cold War, the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union reached new heights. Both superpowers sought to demonstrate their technological prowess. The United States unveiled the Space Shuttle, a reusable spacecraft. In response, the Soviets embarked on their own ambitious endeavor, the Buran Space Shuttle program. The Buran, meaning snowstorm or blizzard in Russian, was the Soviet Union's answer to the American Space Shuttle. This ambitious project aimed to create a reusable spacecraft. It was designed to rival and even surpass the capabilities of its American counterpart. The Buran represented the pinnacle of Soviet space engineering. It was a testament to the nation's determination to maintain its position as a leading power in space exploration. The Buran program was shrouded in secrecy from its inception. The Soviets were determined to keep their technological advancements under wraps. This secrecy only added to the intrigue surrounding the Buran. It cemented its place as one of the most fascinating chapters in the history of space exploration. The Buran program, though ultimately short-lived, left an indelible mark on the history of spaceflight. The design and construction of the Buran space shuttle was a monumental undertaking. The task was entrusted to NPO Molniya, a leading Soviet aerospace design bureau renowned for its expertise. The engineers and scientists at Molniya faced the daunting challenge of creating a spacecraft that could withstand the rigors of atmospheric re-entry. They also had to match, or even exceed, the capabilities of the American space shuttle. The Buran, like its American counterpart, was designed to be a reusable spacecraft. This meant that it had to be robust enough to withstand multiple launches and landings. The design of the Buran was also influenced by the Soviet Union's focus on automation. This led to the development of a unique unmanned flight control system. This system set the Buran apart from the American space shuttle, which relied on a human pilot for re-entry and landing. The construction of the Buran involved overcoming numerous technical hurdles. New materials and manufacturing techniques had to be developed to meet the demanding requirements of spaceflight. The heat shield, for instance, was a critical component that protected the spacecraft from the intense heat generated during atmospheric re-entry. The Soviets developed a unique reusable heat shield made up of thousands of individual tiles. Each tile was meticulously crafted to withstand temperatures exceeding 1,600 degrees Celsius, or 2,900 degrees Fahrenheit. The development and construction of the Buran was a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of Soviet engineers and scientists. The project pushed the boundaries of aerospace engineering. It resulted in a spacecraft that was both technologically advanced and visually striking. The Buran space shuttle was designed to be a highly versatile spacecraft, capable of carrying out a wide range of missions in Earth orbit. It was significantly larger than the American space shuttle. This allowed it to carry a heavier payload and accommodate a larger crew. The Buran had a spacious cargo bay. It was designed to transport a variety of payloads, including satellites, scientific equipment, and even modules for a future Soviet space station. One of the most notable features of the Buran was its unmanned flight control system. This system allowed the spacecraft to be launched and landed autonomously without the need for a human pilot. This capability was seen as a significant technological achievement. It highlighted the Soviet Union's focus on automation in spaceflight. The Buran was also equipped with two powerful main engines. These engines were reusable and could be used for multiple missions. The Buran's versatility extended beyond its ability to transport payloads. The spacecraft was also designed to be capable of orbital maneuvering and rendezvous operations. This meant that it could potentially be used to service satellites in orbit, repair damaged spacecraft, or even assemble large structures in space. The Buran's diverse capabilities made it a formidable asset in the Soviet space program. It held the promise of enabling a wide range of future space exploration endeavors. After years of development, the Buran space shuttle was ready for its maiden voyage. On November 15, 1988, the Buran lifted off from Baikonur Cosmodrome atop an Energia rocket. The Buran embarked on its historic unmanned mission. The world watched in awe as the Soviet Union showcased its technological prowess. The Buran program, shrouded in secrecy, was finally revealed to the public. The Buran's flight lasted just over 207 minutes, completing 2 orbits. The spacecraft performed flawlessly, demonstrating its advanced capabilities. After its brief journey, the Buran made a picture-perfect landing. It touched down at Yubileyny Airfield, marking the completion of its first and only spaceflight. Section 5. Economic Turmoil, the Fall of the Soviet Union. Despite the technological success of the Buran program, the Soviet Union was facing significant economic challenges in the late 1980s. The cost of maintaining a space program as ambitious as the Buran was becoming increasingly burdensome. The Soviet economy was struggling under the weight of a centralized planning system. It was unable to keep up with the rapid technological advancements of the West. The Soviet Union was on the brink of collapse. The economic woes of the Soviet Union had a profound impact on the Buran program. The government could no longer justify the immense expense of the program, especially given the pressing need to address domestic issues. The once proud Soviet space program, which had achieved so many firsts, was now facing an uncertain future. The dream of continuing the Buran program, of challenging the United States for dominance in space, was fading fast. The Soviet Union was facing internal strife and political upheaval. The once mighty superpower was teetering on the edge of disintegration. In the face of these mounting challenges, the Soviet government was forced to make difficult decisions. The Buran program, despite its technological brilliance and symbolic importance, became a casualty of the Soviet Union's economic and political turmoil. Section 6. A change of plans, shifting priorities in space. In addition to the economic challenges, the Soviet Union was also undergoing a major shift in its space exploration priorities. The focus was shifting away from grand, symbolic projects like the Buran. The new emphasis was on more sustainable and practical space endeavors. The Soviet government was increasingly interested in utilizing space technology for Earth observation, communications, and scientific research. The Buran, with its immense size and complexity, was seen as ill-suited for these new priorities. The Soviet Union was also facing pressure from the international community to reduce its military spending. The Buran program, with its potential military applications, was seen as a prime target for cuts. The writing was on the wall for the Buran program. In 1993, the Buran program was officially cancelled. The decision marked the end of an era. The Soviet Union had poured vast resources and countless man-hours into the Buran, only to see it grounded before it could reach its full potential. The cancellation of the Buran program was a significant blow to the Soviet space industry. It signaled the end of the Soviet Union's ambitions to compete with the United States as an equal in space exploration. Section 7. Buran's legacy, a technological marvel remembered. Despite its premature end, the Buran space shuttle program left an enduring legacy. The Buran remains a testament to the ingenuity and technological prowess of the Soviet Union. It stands as a symbol of what can be achieved through human determination and innovation. The Buran program pushed the boundaries of aerospace engineering. It resulted in the development of numerous technological advancements that have had lasting impacts on the field. The Buran's influence can be seen in various aspects of modern spacecraft design, from thermal protection systems to automated flight control software. The program's legacy extends beyond its technological achievements. The Buran program served as a powerful reminder of the importance of international cooperation in space exploration. The Buran program, despite its Cold War origins, fostered a spirit of collaboration between Soviet and foreign scientists and engineers. The lessons learned from the Buran program, both technical and organizational, continue to inform space exploration endeavors around the world. The Buran may have flown just once, but its impact on the history of spaceflight is undeniable. Section 8. Influence on future projects, echoes of Buran. Although the Buran program itself was cancelled, its legacy lived on in subsequent space exploration projects. The knowledge and experience gained from the Buran program proved invaluable in the development of future spacecraft. The Buran's influence can be seen in the design of the European Space Agency's Automated Transfer Vehicle, or ATV. The ATV was an unmanned cargo spacecraft used to transport supplies to the International Space Station. The ATV incorporated many of the automated rendezvous and docking technologies that were pioneered by the Buran program. The Buran's legacy also extends to the development of new materials and manufacturing techniques. The heat shield technology developed for the Buran, for instance, has found applications in other fields such as hypersonic aircraft design. The Buran program may have been cut short, but it left behind a rich technological legacy that continues to inspire and inform space exploration endeavors to this day. The echoes of the Buran program can be seen in the designs of modern spacecraft and in the continued pursuit of reusable space transportation systems. Section 9. Conclusion. A symbol of innovation and ambition. The Buran Space Shuttle program stands as a testament to the ambition, innovation, and technological prowess of the Soviet Union. Conceived as a response to the American Space Shuttle, the Buran represented the pinnacle of Soviet space engineering. Despite its short lifespan and the fact that it only flew once, the Buran program left an indelible mark on the history of space exploration. The Buran's legacy extends beyond its impressive technological achievements. It serves as a reminder of the power of human ingenuity and the importance of international collaboration in pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The Buran program may have been a product of the Cold War, but its story continues to resonate long after the fall of the Iron Curtain. The Buran Space Shuttle program, though ultimately unsuccessful in achieving its full potential, remains a source of fascination and inspiration for aspiring engineers, space enthusiasts, and anyone who has ever dared to dream of reaching for the stars.